Welcome to another edition of the Excalibur Data Systems Roundtable Tech Talk. I'm Mike Fuson. This is part 3 of our digital transformation series. One of the things that a lot of our customers come to us with as they're embarking on their digital transformation journeys is what can we influence? How can we influence the changes that may be necessary? We've talked about the organizational change required and understanding what that organizational change is. Understanding that we're not looking at this from a pure tools perspective. Hey, we're going to use this tool to do a particular thing. But we're looking at how can we influence the overall organization and make things more efficient, make things better, make things easier. One of the challenges with that is all too often as technical folks, we come at it from a technical perspective. What we need to do is we need to step out of that mindset and we need to look at it from how can we deliver better value to our customers. Now, that term is bandied about quite a bit because that customer could be our internal employees, it could be external customers, but the folks that is IT, we're there to take care of. And we need to understand how do we make their life easier with the things that we're going to do as we digitally transform the organization. One of the things that a lot of times is missed is that for some of us, you look at the gray beard that's sitting right here, we are a little bit long in our years and we maybe don't understand social media. Maybe we don't understand how people are interacting with their devices. So I always tell the story of my soon-to-be 14-year-old son. When he was about 11, he came to his mom. His mom was frustrated with something that wasn't working correctly on the laptop. And her answer was, hey, I'm just going to wait till dad calls home this evening. I happen to be out of town. We'll talk to him about this. And he said, well, hey, Mom, what's the error that you're getting? She was trying to print something. And so she tried to print it again and received the error. And so he said, well, Mom, let's just Google the error. It's the difference in the way of thinking as we move through various generations and how they interact with technology. I think about how I interacted with technology, having, as an adult, my first laptop, whereas my youngest son, at now 14, moves very easily from a cell phone to a tablet, to his Xbox, to a laptop, to a desktop. They're just different tools that he uses to connect with the digital world. So one of the things we have to do as we start to look at how can we influence that digital transformation journey and how do we make it easier is that these individuals that are very comfortable with technology and move through technology very easily are looking for us to provide a better user experience, the ability to better experience the leveraging our platforms that we're putting out there to help them, but also the ability for an omni-channel sort of support. They can do chat support. They can do come in via sending an email or coming into a web-based portal. All of these things are the different channels of which they can use to connect with us that are going to help us as an organization better digitally transform. Stay tuned for our next episode in our digital transformation series. Thank you.